Hello, YouTube. Angie's in the shower. I'm going to be about ready to take off here myself. Leaving about a half hour later than I wanted to. But we should be home before it snows. Angie told me this morning that schools already are letting off early today. So luckily we don't have no kids. But yeah, it looks good now. It's going to get ugly later. Alright, Angie goes, hello YouTube. She's in the bathroom. Like I said, she's finishing up in the shower. And we're going to take off here. Alright? So let's get going. We got busy errands to do. Out here in the bus shelter, yes, I remember my bills. The cable we were supposed to pay last week's. I forgot to bring it with me last week. So we got it this week. And our other thing that we're going to be doing today is we got to pay another bill. And we got that one in the mail earlier this week. So we're going to take care of that. That's our renter's insurance. So we're going to take care of that bill today. And hopefully we'll get it done before the weather deteriorates. The weather is supposed to start deteriorating today. Weather is supposed to warm up. But that's, when they talk about this heavy snow, the weather's going to warm up to get the heavy snow. And probably blowing. So right now, if it was snowing now, it'll be a dry snow. And it'll be a lot worse, possibly. So we'll see how the weather deteriorates today. Alright, bus is coming. I already gave you guys bus ride videos already. So we'll wait for another week for those. And I'll see you guys when we get to, I gotta stop downtown first to do some things down there. And we'll meet you as we get closer to the cable company. Okay, we got one of our errands done. We gotta do, I had to withdraw some money, that's all. Now I gotta go pay off our bills. Train is howling, blowing its whistle. Should be a northbound train. Northbound train? Pass me up. Northbound train should be going by here. Okay, right now, let's get going here. It's cold. Yep, there it is, northbound train. Alright, enough of that train whistle. Okay, kind of funny that we went from a downtown scene to this scene. All my errands are done. I'm on my way to catch another bus line, which is the top of that hill up there, straight ahead. Reason I did not make, I was ready to make a clip, one more clip downtown. I got a phone call, so I couldn't make that clip. It was an important phone call. It was from somebody from Canada. Rudy gave me a call, so thank you, Rudy, for that phone call. Time you watch this video, I hope I returned it. Because I was kind of in the middle of doing this errand. But hey, we're YouTubers. Sometimes I do interrupt other YouTubers when they're filming. They tell me, will you please call back later, or I'll call you later when I'm done. Okay, cool. So this was in communication. I just had to give Rudy the basic rundown, but I forgot what parts I needed to remember. Okay. Battery power's getting low because it's cold weather. And batteries don't last long in cold weather in these cameras. That's probably the bad part. Okay, we'll see you when we get home. Well, I'm home now, but Angie's gone. Hope she gets home before it snows. It's on its way. Yeah, I just got home. My errands are done. So now, hopefully Angie gets home before the snowfall hits. Alright? We'll talk to you guys later. I see you made it home safely too.
Hello, YouTube.
Hello. Hey, guess what? It's snowing up there. Flurries.
Yep.
It's flurries right now, but we'll have to see how bad it gets later. And guess what? I gotta go back out in it.
It is cold out.
Yeah. Oh well, things happen, right?
Yep.
Okay. Cooking you some chicken tenders, your favorite.
Yes.
Of course. And that. And I'm just watching a video over there Well, I'm not watching on a laptop because, like I said, limited use. Right?
Yes.
So I was gonna just about ready to take my nap here. So I'll see you after my nap then. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Angie's chicken tenders before I take my nap, right?
Yes.
And you're probably going to take yours too, right?
Yes.
We'll see you when we get up from our naps.
Yep.
Okay, yeah. Businesses are closing and events have been canceled. Well, some of the events have been canceled since last night. It's going to get bad. Right now, we're just told to kind of just hang loose and just stay home for the night, basically. So we'll check. We're going to be having supper, and we'll check in a little bit. Okay, weather update real quick before we wrap up this video. It went from bad to worse. Slow stop, but it's now, you can hear it rattling, hitting the grill. It's now freezing rain. This is what we did not want right now, but we are home. Yeah. Not a good time to be out there. I just walked out to the main drag, and it's 100% snow and ice covered. Few businesses are open, but most of them are closed, and we're staying home, and we're closing the door for the night.
Straight.
You gotta sit up straight. You gotta sit up straight. Okay, she had to sit up straight.
You guys, it's cold.
Yeah. Hey, at least I got my errands done today.
Yep.
Before it got bad. It started to snow shortly after 2 o'clock.
Yep.
Then the heavy stuff began around 5-ish, something like that.
I think so.
Yeah, so then it got blown and drifting. As of right now, let me take one last look off camera. I think it's over. Okay, I just checked outside. Looks like the worst part is over. Just the blowing and drifting and freezing cold. But we got more yet to come. Probably before sunrise, maybe.
Yep.
And a little bit more tomorrow. Looks like I'm staying home tomorrow. And that, so. Alright, let's go ahead and wrap up this video.
Please like, share, subscribe. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And we will see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.